Hey there, dog lovers. If you're watching this, chances are you're worried about ringworm in your furry friend. First, let me ease your mind. This is a very common issue, and it's totally treatable. Today, we'll be covering everything you need to know about how to get rid of ringworm in dogs, step by step. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the problem. First things first, you want to make sure that what you're dealing with is indeed ringworm. Usually, it appears as a circular, red, and itchy patch on your dog's skin. However, the best way to confirm this is by visiting your vet. Veterinarians often use Wood's lamp, a UV light, to make a diagnosis. According to a study published in the Journal of Veterinary Medicine in 2016, this tool is pretty reliable for identifying ringworm. Step 2. Consult your veterinarian. Before you try any at-home remedies, consult your vet for a diagnosis and treatment plan. This might include oral antifungal medication, which can only be obtained with a prescription. Your vet is your go-to expert on this, trust me. Step 3. Prepare your dog. Now that you're armed with knowledge and your vet's advice, put on your disposable gloves to prevent the ringworm from spreading. You don't want to get it yourself. Step 4. Clip fur. Optional. If the infected area is really hairy, it's a good idea to clip the fur around it. This makes the topical treatment more effective. But be gentle, you don't want to hurt your dog's skin. Step 5. Wash with antifungal shampoo. Wet the infected area, then apply a dog-safe antifungal shampoo. These usually contain ketoconazole or miconazole, both of which have been shown effective according to research from the American Journal of Veterinary Research. Massage it into the skin and let it sit for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Step 6. Apply topical treatment. After towel drying the area, apply a topical antifungal ointment or cream as recommended by your vet. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Step 7. Clean the environment. Finally, it's crucial to disinfect your dog's living environment. Ringworm spores can live on surfaces for a long time. So wash your dog's bedding, toys, and anything else they frequently come in contact with. And that's how you get rid of ringworm in your dog. Keep up with the treatment as long as your vet advises, and your furry friend should be ringworm-free in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below.